Are you overwhelmed trying to balance work, kids, and staying fit? We've got the perfect solution for you. Life's a juggling act, right? Between work calls, soccer practice, and laundry, squeezing in a workout seems impossible. But guess what? You can do it. Here's how. First, incorporate mini workouts into your day. Squats while cooking dinner, lunges during TV time, or even a quick plank before bed. Every little bit counts. Second, make the most of family time. Turn playtime into a fun fitness session. Think backyard races, dance-offs, or even a family yoga session. Finally, remember it's okay to ask for help. Enlist your partner or older kids to pitch in with chores.
So you can carve out that precious me time for a workout.
You've got this, super mom. Stay strong, stay motivated, and remember, you're not just doing this for you, but for your family too. Keep moving and keep shining.